Here's an update from the KSHB 41 Weather Center. All right, well, we don't have a cloud in the sky once again, but we do have smoke in our sky from wildfires in the northern Rockies, and that's why we have this reddish color to the sunrise. Now, you can see this here. Where are they coming from? They are coming from Wyoming, Utah, and Idaho. You can see where the black plumes are really thick there, and then it spreads out into the plains, and that is moving our way. It'll get even thicker before it thins out. It could thin out and be gone by this evening, pushing down to our south, but it could come back again during the next couple of days in and out of our areas. You can see those white arrows. That's white arrows. That is the flow aloft, and it's pushing it right into our area, but no rain. And so, yes, we have good news and bad news here. The good news is that the weather continues to be nice, and for Monday Night Football, I don't know that the weather can get much better. 72 for tailgating, 64 kickoff, a little cool at the end of the game, 58 degrees, not much wind, and no clouds. How about for the Royals? Well, mostly good news, but it was bad news last night. They lost 6-5. Can't give the Yankees runs and all those walks. But I still think they have a chance here. There's no doubt about it. Yankees can be beaten. So game 2 in New York, the weather looks pretty good, 72 after some rain in the early morning, but the game's at 6:38, and then they come back to Kansas City at 6:08. Game 3, the weather looks beautiful, 80s in the afternoon, but the game is at 6:08. Temperatures will drop to around 70 degrees. So good news is, all these outdoor events, the weather's great. Here's the bad news. It's not raining. And every day that goes by, we fall about 10 to 15 hundredths of an inch more below average. And right now we are over 6 inches below average. And that has led us to a moderate drought in our area. Now, the yellow is abnormally dry. That's a level 1 of 5, but it's not really considered a drought. It really starts at moderate. And northern Missouri to central Missouri doing okay into eastern Missouri for now, and that they were helped out by Francine and actually Helene and that upper low that backed in there helped them get some rain. But we are drying out, and most of the country is dry, and it's pretty amazing when you compare that to what it was like in July. Look how much less drought conditions there were. So we just need some rain. And when we look at the upper level flow for October 10th, which is Thursday, that is not conducive to bringing rain to our area. We have the main jet stream still up to the north. We have an upper level high heat wave creating machine in the southwest United States that extends into our area. Now, there's a little itty bitty upper level low. If it were summer and temperature dew points were much higher and it was humid, that would give us a few showers and thunderstorms. And it still might. We're going to leave it out of the forecast, but the air is just too dry. I just don't think we're going to see much rain out of it. Milton, we'll talk more about Milton. That is more news that is not so great. But there's good news and bad news with that, too, as it moves offshore. Again, we'll be talking more about that. But in about 10 days, 10 to 15 days, a big change. Look at the potential jet stream upper level flow on Thursday, October 17th. Yes, that's 10 days away, but my goodness, there's a big trough in the middle of the country. There is an upper level system here that would bring rain and much cooler weather with upper level highs on the coast. Now, this is far from set. All this, the takeaway from this is a big change is about 10 to 15 days away. The new weather pattern setting up, the new LRC sets up in October, November, then begins cycling. And so this would be the probably exhibit A for the new pattern. But what does it mean? How will it look? We're way away from figuring that, answering those questions out. So for now, let's continue to enjoy the nice weather. 75 to 80 today, a light northerly breeze, probably closer to 75. And then tomorrow in the low 70s. Gorgeous weather, near perfect conditions. What about Tuesday? Well, we're going to warm up a little bit, 75 to 80, light easterly wind. It's sunny every day. How about Wednesday, 80 to 85? That warm front moves by. Now, yesterday we were 92, so now that makes 46 days since 1887 in October we've been 90 or higher. Well, what about, are we done with the 90s for this October? I don't know about that one. I think out ahead of the big change, we could make a run at 90 again next weekend. Yes, so we could add another 1 or 2 to the total. Unbelievable. All right, so what about rainfall the next week to 10 days? Well, not much. You can see those little green dots. That's from those little systems around the area, that little small system. So we'll see about that. mostly dry across the country except the Pacific Northwest coast and unfortunately Florida. Now here's the good news and the bad news with the situation in Florida and this next tropical storm Milton. We'll go with the bad news first. It looks like it could take a direct hit onto Florida, 10 to 20 inches of rain in some spots, and it could have an impact on, could really have a serious impact in the Tampa area. Right now, it is still a tropical storm, and it's just churning out there in the southwest Gulf of Mexico, but you can see it's starting to grow and get its act together here. And when we look at the powercast, we have a situation tonight at midnight. There is a circulation northwest of the Yucatan, and it continues to move east. And by the time it gets to Florida and Tampa, it could be a Category 3, possibly a 4. So we just don't want that. That is the bad news. But I said there was some good news, and here's the good news. Once it exits Florida, it looks like it's going to move east and northeast out into the ocean, missing the Carolinas. They are in serious shape there, and hopefully it will miss them. It does look like that, and they may get some rain on the coast, but the worst areas are in the western parts of those states, especially western North Carolina. It looks like it should miss them, thank goodness, and then that moves on out. So we will be watching Milton very, very closely, but for around here, it is just about as nice as it gets. Sunny today, cooler, high around 75 tonight, and of course that smoke in the air, but it's at about 20,000 feet tonight. In the 40s, finally going to feel like fall. Beautiful weather tomorrow with highs again in the 70s. As we look at that super 10-day forecast, no rain on it, but at least the temperatures are nice today and tomorrow and into Tuesday, but it starts to warm up for the end of the week. And then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we definitely have a potential to hit 90 degrees once again before the big changes, and then probably won't hit 90 again until next spring or summer. Have a great rest of your week ahead. Go Chiefs, go Royals, stay healthy.